Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right permissions and the app or game is active. Once done, find the RGS launcher icon, either on the taskbar or inside the HUD, and approach it. Next, press the assigned hotkey. Many setups use F3 by default. If the hotkey is changed, use your configured key instead. This gets you into the primary RGS panel quickly. You need that open before proceeding to deeper menu options and configuration tabs. With the RGS panel open, move into the core sections: Settings, Profiles, and Live Feed. Use either arrow keys or your mouse to jump between tabs. This is faster than hunting with clicks. Once inside Settings, adjust sliders like sensitivity or refresh rate and toggle advanced features you need. If you must load a profile, select Profiles, pick one, then Apply. These steps change how the RGS behaves, so take a breath and verify each. Finish by saving any changes and closing the panel using ESC or the close button so settings persist. If modifications don't appear, restart the RGS or the host application to force a reload. Make sure to check the RGS status indicator and open logs to spot permission or compatibility errors. If problems persist, reinstall the RGS client or restore defaults. That often resolves corrupted settings. One troubleshooting tip: toggling the hotkey assignment can reveal conflicts with other apps and fix access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.